Santa's coming, though we haven't been that good. Santa's coming, 'cause he said he would. Santa's coming in a big red bird. Santa's coming, he always keeps his word. Santa's coming, gonna bring us some stuff. Santa's coming, guess we ain't run out of luck. Santa's coming, I'm going door to door. Santa's coming, coming for more.
Merry Christmas. Hi, Mom and Dad, it's me. I'm gonna try to tell you I love you. I will come home and see you.
Santa's coming, only makes it once a year. Santa's coming, but he always starts here. Santa's coming, though he travels the world. Santa's coming to greet every boy and girl.
Hi, Dad. It's me. I know you and me are going to pick up Marshall tomorrow. And because I love you. And I love you, Beth. You're my good sister forever.
Santa's coming, we're part of his master plan. Santa's coming in time for Christmas Day. Santa's coming, going away. Santa's coming, then he goes on away. Oh, the world, it can seem like such a darkening place. Then Santa drops by, puts that smile on your face. What do you say we hold that smile right in here? Better be good, Santa's coming back next year. Santa's coming, but then he has to go back to the land where it always snows. Santa's coming, see you next year. Santa's coming and we'll be waiting right here.
Hi everybody to America. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.